Hello students, now we will discuss about the protective tissue, which is the fourth one types of simple permanent tissue. Protective tissue. Now what is the protective tissue? The main function of protective tissue is protection, as the name of tissue says. Number one, epidermis. Simple tissue. Epidermis simple tissues covers the entire body of the plant without intercellular space. No intercellular space between all the cells are connect each other, but some pores are present in leaves surface and stem surface called stomata. We know about the stomata. There are two guard cells which perform the opening and closing of the stomata. Second one, cork simple tissue. Cork simple tissues. This type of tissue consists dead cells. No intercellular space. They form the outer layer of old tree trunks having outer layer of dead cells called cork. It also protects from injuries, germs, water loss, etc. Somewhat function of both the tissues are similar because they both are protective tissue. Now the second part of permanent tissue, that is complex tissue. Complex tissue. What is complex tissue? Group of different types of cells performing common tasks. Different types of cells performing common tasks called complex tissue. Complex tissue are of two types. Number one, xylem, and second one, phloem. Xylem. First we discuss about xylem. This is the tissue that transport water and minerals or nutrients from the root to the shoot or the leaf, because water mainly required in leaf for making food. Xylem composed of four types of cells. Number one, tracheids. Tracheids are tapered in the ends. Their pits are present between them. dead cells. These are dead cells. You can write here number 1, tracheids. Tracheids are long, elongated. Taper ending, I have told you. Tracheids transport water through the pits. These are the pits. They transport water through the pits. Okay. Second, vessels. These are vessels. Vessels are pipe-like or made up of dead cells. Also lignified. Cells are lignified. This is the transfer section. You can see here. Thick walled or lignified. In the lower portion, cell wall is absent because of transportation. Third one, parenchyma. Parenchyma, also called xylem parenchyma. These are living cells. I have told you parenchyma are live cells. They store food and nutrients. And the fourth one, sclerenchyma. These are dead cells. They provide mechanical support to the plant. Okay. Now the second part, or the second type of complex tissue, that is phloem. Phloem is the tissue that transports food from the site of photosynthesis to the different part of plant. It means from the leaf to the all parts of the plant, branch, stems, roots, etc. Phloem. Phloem also subdivided into 4 parts. Number 1, sieve cells. Number 2, companion cells. Number 3, phloem parenchyma. And number 4, phloem fiber. These are the 4 parts. This is the structure of phloem. Here is the sieve tubes. Sieve tubes have no nucleus, no cells, organelles, only cytoplasm has. The main function of this cells or the group of cells is transportation of food and nutrients. This is one cell and many cells combine to form sieve tube. This is sieve cell. Okay, and this is companion cells. They have nucleus and other cell organelles, also cytoplasm. And what is the function? They perform the task required for sieve cells for living. It means sieve cells require companion cells to be live. Okay, and this is phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma, the main function of phloem parenchyma is storing food. Phloem parenchyma stores the food material, and thick walled phloem fibers are present, which gives mechanical support to the plant. This is all about the plant tissue, and now in the next section we discuss about the animal tissue.